Hello everyone. Today I will share recipe of cooking eggplant or brinjal. It's very simple and easy recipe with limited spices. Watch the video till the end. Also do not forget to subscribe, comment and share my channel. For the recipe you need 2 to 3 potatoes, brinjal, cooking oil, salt, 2 to 3 tomatoes, 1 to 2 sliced onion, salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili or a pinch of garam masala. Let's start the recipe. Put some oil in a pot and fry the chips of potatoes. The cutting size of potatoes and brinjal should be equal. Do not forget to sprinkle salt on brinjal and potatoes. Once done, set the fries aside and fry the brinjal. In the same oil soak the slices of onion and put tomatoes and cook them. Time to add spices of your choice. I am adding a pinch of turmeric powder, red chili flake and a pinch of garam masala. Stir them and mix the fried brinjal and potato chips. Mix all well and put the cover and let it for 2 to 3 minutes. Brinjal is ready to serve with green chilies. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comments section from where do you watch my recipes. Thank you for watching.